know I love a good shake. Like when I shake my head, I want my hair to do this. I wanted to shimmy. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and on this channel we love all things beauty, but let's be honest. If your hair is not done, your outfit is not complete. So in today's video, we are unboxing, installing, and reviewing this beautiful, versatile V-part UNice wig. Yeah, you see it. If that is something you like to see, then definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, share if you care, and let's get started. First off, I'd like to thank UNice for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this box. Inside your box is a satin drawstring bag to store your wig, 2 wig caps, an elastic Velcro headband, an anklet, and also a satin UNice robe, and of course, your wig. So this is a 24-inch wig that you can wear 2 ways. You can wear it straight or you can wear it curly, like in that wet and wavy look. We love a good wet and wavy look. So why not take this summer out with a bang, right? Per usual, it does have like your 5 clips, 2 on each side, 1 at the base. It does have your slide-in combs, an additional adjustable band. It has the comb for your nape, and then of course the regular adjustable straps. So yeah, I really feel like V-parts are legit replacing sew-ins. Like people just cannot be bothered with sew-ins anymore. I happen to still like sew-ins, but the V-parts are definitely super convenient. Look how lightweight and bouncy that is. Y'all know I love a good shake. Like when I shake my head, I want my hair to do this. I wanted to shimmy. All right, so let's put this girl on. Now, I've gone ahead and sectioned off a very small portion of hair here. And I'm gonna take one of the wig caps that was provided. Mind you, my hair is very dirty. I feel like every time I do these, my hair is really dirty. She is fitting snug without the band. I ain't even got her on and she's snug. So I'm just gonna cock her to the side a bit and put these combs in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slide these combs in. I do not need the adjustable band. Don't need it. I like this. And it has great texture to it. Right out of the box, just filling it right out of the box, it feels like super silky, like extremely silky, like almost too silky. But once you get it on, it has loads of texture in it. Let me just put this back so we can look at her. Just gonna. Look at that. All right, let me get a spray bottle so we can see how she curls up. Seems to be taking a long time to curl here. What's happening? I don't know who pressed this hair, but they pressed it, girl. It don't even want to wave back up. Kind of pressed. I love this curl pattern on me. It looks so cute. I almost wonder what it looks like dried in this curl.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more just for you, love for you.
Money got my whole family going.
This hair is so buttery soft. I love me some versatile hair. I have my iron set to 410. Okay, so basically that's how I'm going around my entire head, curling backwards, and this is what it looks like so far. It's still super, super lightweight and bouncy. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we've lost some daylight, all I did was took my leave out, blended it, smoothed it back, and here you have it. The less leave out you have, the easier it is to just blend without doing anything to it. But yeah, this hair is full, okay? But it doesn't seem like it because it's so lightweight. I'm obsessed with this hair. Can y'all see the texture on this hair? Do y'all see how lightweight when I move, it moves, okay? We are always looking for hair that do not tangle. I have not had any issues with tangling with this hair at all. UNice came through for the girls, okay? I put this hair through the ringer. I shampooed, conditioned, blow dried, flat iron, style. So when I first took it out of the box, no tangles, no shedding. When I was shampooing and conditioning, no tangles, no shedding. When I say I was shocked that I didn't have any shedding, because every wig that I've had little to no shedding or a little bit of shedding. With this particular V part, I did not have any shedding through the entire process of working with this hair. Oh, the smell. It did have a slight chemical smell, but it was nothing that the shampoo and conditioner couldn't handle. Now, you guys know that one of my favorite wigs, and one of the wigs that I wore the most, was my kinky straight V-part wig. Baby, that wig got me through some tough times. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this one is way better, only because you still get all of the texture from a kinky straight wig, but you have the option of wearing it wet and wavy and cute looking. I'm obsessed with this hair, and I actually wish that they had this hair in like bundles, because I would definitely, because I'm thinking about doing a sew-in for the winter. You guys, if you follow my channel, you know that I do sew-ins in the winter. And even though these V-parts are super, super convenient, I'm not gonna, fall off of my regular routine of what I do with my hair. So in the winter, I'm still going to do a sew-in, and I wish that they had this hair in bundles, because I would run and get it. That's how much I love this hair. I'm obsessed. It is in a natural color 1B. I typically like my UNice to be a 1, but I didn't want to dye it. And as you can see, I didn't even cut the ends yet. Look, I have not cut the ends yet. I haven't done anything with the ends, but I'm definitely probably going to cut the ends. And I like my hair to stop around boob length, so I'll probably cut it to about here. You guys, I'm obsessed with this hair. I love it so much. I enjoy the versatility of it. I love the fact that when I curl it with the curling iron, it holds that curl like nobody's business. This one is a must have. I don't care if you don't have any other wig in your collection. You need this one in the collection. I promise you. Promise you, promise you, promise you. Just pack my bags and I'm headed to the car. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it. And until the next time, love.